Hello everyone, today I am going to present my first MERN Stack project, that is Event Management System Web Application, and explain its features, architecture and functionality. This project is designed to make event management easier and more organized by providing separate functionalities for the different users through the role-based authentication system. The main goal of this application is provide a secure and user-friendly platform where administrators can manage events efficiently while normal user can browse and view event detail easily. Now I am introduce my role-based authentication system. This is my landing page. I have implemented two main roles in this project. First is admin, second is user. Each role has different promises and classes levels. This helps improve both security functionalities because user can only access features that belong to their assigned role. Now let me explain how the authentication flow works in my application. On the landing page, user can register through the register form. Every newly registered account is automatically assigned to the user role from the admin side. I already created the admin account directly in the database. So when I log in using the admin credentials, the system detects that role and redirect me to the admin dashboard. On the other hand, when a normal user log in using their registered account, the application automatically redirects them to the user dashboard. Here you can see I am added my register email and password. They redirect me the user dashboard. In the top you can see user email. Normal user have limit access compared to the administrator. User can create, delete event. Inside their role focus mainly on viewing and exploring the event information. User can browse available event display and application. For each event, user can see information, title, description, date, location, image. This allows user to explore and stay informed about the upcoming event. Now I am going to show the admin side of the application. Since the admin account is already predefined in the database, there is no need to create admin account separately. I simply enter the admin login, password, credentials, and the system automatically check the role and redirect me to the admin dashboard. Here you can see the admin dashboard. In the top navbar you can see the admin email. The admin has complete control over the event management. Inside the admin dashboard, several functionalities are available. The first feature of admin dashboard is upload event. The admin can enter information such as event name, event description, location, date, and image, additional information. After filling is all required information, the admin can create and publish the event. Once event is successfully, it becomes visible in the system. Here you can see event is visible in the admin dashboard, and this is also visible in the user dashboard in the real time, and notification is also come in the user dashboard when admin can post event. Now I will show you the second feature is editing an event. If there are any change in the event information such as event title, event description and location, the admin can simply select the event and update the necessary information. This feature makes event management more flexible and easier to maintain. Here you can see event upload edit successfully. Now here you can see our event description, title, location is changed in real time. In the user dashboard also event updated automatically. And another last feature is deleting event. If any event becomes outdated or needed to become removed from the system, the admin can delete it. When the delete button is clicked, the selected event is removed from the database and no longer appear to the user. This helps maintain accurate and update event information. For this project, I used frontend technology to create an interactive and responsive interface, while the backend handles APIs, authentication, and server-side logic. The frontend communicates with the backend and the database securely store and manage the database. You can find the project link in the description below. If you want to learn how to build this project from scratch level, and comment below. I will make detailed tutorial series where I explain everything step by step, and you will be able to learn and a lot of throughout the process. Thank you for the watching, and I will see you in the next video.